Good evening, everyone. This is Henry Gambell with simpleroptions.com, and in today's free video I wanted to look at a square squeeze. Sounds kind of funny, and more than anything it's just a typical standard setup on the company Square. So in the payment processing sector, and just the thing that I thought was most interesting about this, and while it's not always to be guaranteed, of course, I do like going back and saying, okay, if I've had this signal in this product before, what type of move has it provided me? And of course, what's the overall trend, etc. So here's the last time we had a squeeze. You can see the resulting move off of earnings. We had a nice squeeze that formed a couple months later. Pretty much exactly the same thing, and now we've got the same signal that is forming again. So while I have no idea what will bring for this chart, it does fit the criteria of fitting these moving averages very nicely, being a stone's throw from all-time highs, and definitely has that idea of potentially grinding higher into earnings. So we're looking at playing that through just the standard monthly call options. And another place where you've got a very similar situation is with PayPal. So when you look back on this one, you can see that we have two previous squeezes. This company as well has seen a pretty decent rise into both of their previous earnings reports. They are both backed by a bullish trend and a nice pullback into this area while you had the squeeze forming, and we've got these fresh signals showing up again. So we're positioned in both. Depending on where they open up tomorrow, I think that you will still have opportunity. Of course, if they gap higher, that's always tough to buy, but in both instances I would be willing to pursue them back down into the 21 EMA and then look to take profits on that on a push to new highs. So I hope that helps, gives you a couple tickers to focus on in the weeks ahead, and we'll see you at the next free video.